Today I'm going to do our science experiment, how to make a mung bean sprout. Here are the procedures. Prepare the materials that you need.
So what are the materials?
We need a mung bean. We need a mung bean, growing tray, water, cheesecloth, or paper towel, and cover, which this time you will use a shoebox. Number 2, measure the amount of mung bean you want to grow. It has to be around 3/4 of the planting tray. It is not good to overgrow the planting tray. It may cause the sprout to rot during the growing process.
Okay, 3/4 is like this. You have to spread it around. Make sure they're not on top of each other. And
I found one broken one.
Yeah, remove the broken ones and the dead ones.
What are the dead ones?
They look like black, something like that. Oh, that's a lot of mung bean. I'm gonna put back the rest. Okay, 3/4 meaning there. That's 3/4. Okay.
I'm just gonna check if there's any more.
Okay, check if there's any more dead or black like this. That's dead. See? Black.
This one. It looks like there's a lot of black ones.
No, they're fine. Sometimes they're dark green. Don't worry, once they started. No, that's good. Okay, that's good enough. Okay.
Oh, I found one. I think I found one broken.
Yeah, this one too. That's dead.
Can you see when it's broken? Yeah, it looks good.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, that's good.
No, it's okay. Once
We started sprouting, we can remove the dead ones. Okay, what's the next procedure? Number 3.
Wash the mung beans thoroughly. Swish it with water several times. For our water, you can use normal tap water, but for the best result, we are using our contained water, so we can control the pH level of the water. Plants like to grow with the pH is around 6.
Okay, so we're gonna wash our mung bean. For now, we can put them all here.
oh, one fell.
Okay, just pick them up. Easier to pick them up. Like that.
There, one big pile. It also feels like popcorn food. When you're always at popcorn food, you feel like this.
When you put them, look this up. Put your fingers inside, not your knuckles. No, pick it like that. It's easier.
I found one that fell.
It's just faster if I do it like this. Okay, you swish it with candle water.
That one?
Yes. Look at the screen. Make sure the screen is on the video. Okay, and then you cover it. So no spilling, and then you swish it like that. Yeah. Let me get a sifter.
Hi guys! Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And please share this video.
So like that. And put back. You put more water. No, it's your video. I'm just your helper. Put some water. And you close it properly. Then you swish. Swish. That. Then drain it again. Do it 3 times. You have to wash it 3 times to remove the dirt and any pesticides. Anjan, you're not looking at the screen.
I'm close to the screen.
Yes.
That's it.
Last one.
Okay. We still have enough contained water, I think, after this one.
So done.
Okay,
That's
now.
it.
Go there.
And swish, swish, swish. Okay, done. Open it.
Am I good?
Do it. It's your video.
Okay, that's it.
Oh, I can't believe
Then procedure number 4.
After washing, place the beans inside a mason jar and soak the beans with water. Around 8 hours, store the jar in the dark and cool place. You must cover the jar to prevent the light from
Penetrating.
penetrating. penetrating into the beans.
Okay. Soak it.
So we're gonna put in this, the box.
Yes, put it there. Put water. Fill it with water.
Until it reaches that line.
Because that will grow in size. It will grow bigger. That's it. Done. Cover it. And then we're gonna store it.
Do I have to shake it?
Not no more. We're not washing it. So we have to wait for 8 hours.
Yes.
Then let's continue our video.
Yes. Finally, 8 hours away. I can free time.
After 8 hours, the beans are now ready for sprouting.
We will now get our beans. It's there. Take it out. Take the box out too.
I think I see some that are sprouting right now.
Yeah, so what do you observe?
Some of them are turning yellow right now,
Yes.
which means they're starting to sprout.
In fact, they had doubled their sizes too. They gone bigger, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I open the door now?
Sure.
Step 2. Now do I do this?
Yep. Drain the water.
Wow, it's turned all green. It's like slime water. Oh, one green now. No. Okay now.
And then we'll get ready with the tray. With the planting tray.
Oh, cute.
So what we need to do is we'll lay it down with paper towel like that. Okay. Cloth is better, but for now we don't have a cheesecloth, so we're using a paper towel.
Which is also a good one to use.
So spray it with water.
Make it wet. Everything. Yeah. Yeah. More. Wet everything. Put in the sides. Not me. The paper towel. Let me do it.
I was using
What's your instructions?
No.
Let's do it like that, Ossie.
I was gonna cover it up with the boxes so I just don't get wet.
And now you spread all the sprouts. See?
Can I do it?
Okay.
Okay now.
There's still some in the bottle.
Okay. Open it all.
Spread it around. Slowly. You're gonna break all the sprouts. Like that. Be gentle.
Does this one have a white line?
It's okay. They grow in sizes.
Wow, look at these ones. The ones that are
Don't
ready.
touch them. You're breaking them. So be gentle. Do it like that. Come on.
I think that's enough.
Okay.
Here, I think that's enough.
Okay, and then give them spray them again with water.
Okay.
And this time we're gonna put another tray on top.
Yeah.
Okay, put another tray on top of it. Like that. So that, you know why?
No. No.
So if we push it, the roots will go down. Because if we don't like that, the roots will go up. So the roots has to go down so that the sprout, when they grow like little trees.
Yeah.
Yeah.
They're starting to grow.
And then what we're gonna do is we put them into the shade, into the dark, and let's wait for tomorrow.
Yeah.
We're gonna give them another spray. Okay, put it.
Put it aside. Don't press it. Just brush it. Just put them here. Until you hollow. And then you cover it with box. Nice. No light should go inside. Because if the beans get the light, then they will turn green. A green bean sprout doesn't taste good.
What does it taste like?
Bitter.
Bittersweet.
bitter.
Okay.
Mapait.
Alright,
Yeah, so that's it for today.
I just want to say something to them.
Okay, what?
So we're gonna have to wait tomorrow, and so yeah. So hope you enjoy.
See you tomorrow.
See you tomorrow.